Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error, no network default remote configuration activated. So let me tell you that when you have downloaded some unknown app in your mobile, then you can see this type of error, network not available. So how can you fix this issue? You have to install app from Play Store named Twist Source, TOAST here it is. I have already downloaded, so you have to open it and you have to give all the permission to this app, and you can see here show save to us. So just simply tap on this and you will see here the app which is causing this problem, and you have to open this app and clear cache and clear storage from here and reinstall that app, and your problem hopefully will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.